this is week 4, graded assignment 3. So in this week, we have to write a Spark code for executing a hashing example as discussed in the video, which whose link is given over here. So we have to create a text file, which is shown in the video, and we have to find the number of user clicks between 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 8, and 18 to 24. So let's go to the GCP. So I have created a bucket, Spark bucket week 4 over here, and in that I have written a code to generate the number of clicks, which we can see over here. So this is my code where I am generating the clicks, and if we will go to the clicks.txt, so this is my generated clicks. As you can see over here, uh, it ranges between 18th October, 19th October, and 20th October, and we have multiple clicks details. So, and in the hash.py, I have written my hashing code to hash the dates in the multiple ranges from 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 8, and store it. And if we will run this code, it will generate the output file in the output.txt. For running this PySpark code, we have to create dataproc cluster. So I've already created one dataproc cluster whose name is Ritik PySpark. So as you can see, it is running, and it's the yarn node manager and other multiple things are coming over here in the dashboard. So we will go to the VM instances, and now as you can see over here, we have one master node and two worker nodes. So we will start the SSH. So it is coming over here. So now we will write the name of our bucket, which was Spark bucket week 4. The name of our hash file. Okay, I think we have already have this hash.py and output.txt over here. So uh, let's run this. Will take a couple of minutes to run this. Now it is up and running, and when we will go to the bucket, we will find our output.txt file, which is the output of the hash file. And when we will go over here, we can see the time frame and the count of the number of clicks which happened between them. So this is all. Thank you.